Hey everybody, I am working on creating Tumbler mockups for my Etsy shop, and I figured I'd show you guys how to do that since it took me a little bit to figure it out. But it's actually really easy. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So the first thing you need is obviously a Canva account, and you do need the Pro account for this. I'll go ahead and put a link down in the description. I believe my link is 30 days free trial. And then I think after that, it's $12.99 a month. I use Canva all the time, so it's cost effective for me. I do everything in Canva. And then the other thing you're going to need is Creative Fabrica. Creative Fabrica has just tons, hundreds of thousands of, um, you can get scripts, you can get photos, you can get PNGs, SVGs, it goes on and on and on. Print on demand, that's what I do. Halloween stuff, there's PNGs in here, there's just so much stuff. You can make stickers. Anyway, you can get lost in Creative Fabrica. But what's really important to know is understanding that to use the print on demand, you need to have the full print on demand license. So if you have the all access subscription, which I do, which is right here, sign up for all access subscription and get unlimited access. I have the yearly plan, and with that, you get unlimited access to full print on demand designs and fonts. So you can use those, and if you, and this is what's important, if you decide to not continue your membership, cancel it, etc., you cannot use them. You must stop selling the designs that you have downloaded and used. So make sure you understand what happens if you get the full access or the monthly free plan or whatever the case may be. If you cancel your subscription, you're no longer covered under the full print on demand license, which means anything that you could be selling on Canva, I'm sorry, on Etsy, you need to remove. Um, so make sure you understand that. And I can also put a link here. I don't know what the promotion is right now. I believe it's like $1 for 30 days. You can download as much as you want. But just remember, if you don't continue that subscription, you can't use what you've downloaded and sell. If you do, you'll just have your Etsy shop shut down. And it's really frustrating, I think. And you put so much time and energy into it. Just spend the extra money and cover yourself. Okay, so we're going to go back to the graphic that I want to use on my, Tumbler. So I'm going to go to my downloads, and it was this one. And I can put the link down below of this actual Tumbler as well. Just a girl who loves fall. So with this, I do PNG files only. So this is a Tumbler PNG graphic. And this is for a 20-ounce skinny tumbler. So you want to make sure that you read the fine print, make sure you know exactly what you're downloading. Oops. So it's right here. 20-ounce tumbler, instant download, and what you get is a PNG file straight for your tumbler and a PNG file taper. And the other thing you want to make sure that it's 300 DPI. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and downloaded that. And so the next thing you're going to need, again, is Canva. So I can also put a link down below. I believe it's 30 days free. And again, I love Canva. I use it all the time. Everything I do, I use Canva. If you're getting to any print on demand, t-shirts, cups, mugs, whatever the case may be, just it's worth the money. I think it's $12.99 a month. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to create a custom size. Now, I already have recent ones here. If you don't have that, what you're going to do is go here where it says the width, and you're going to type in 2454, and the height is going to be 2020. And this is what's important. You want to make sure it's on pixels, not inches, not millimeters, not centimeters. It has to be on pixels. Go ahead and create your design. My uploads, I've already gone ahead and uploaded my Tumbler mockups. And let me just head over to Etsy and let me show you what that looks like. So if you type in the search bar, mockup Tumbler, you get, all of the different options. They're all really well. My favorite site shop to use is Ideal Mockups. They just have really clean, simple designs, and they just have a ton of reviews. Head and like they have like all 5,000 reviews. It's easy download. It's a couple of dollars. It's $2.50, and you can upload this in Canva and use it as many times as you want. So I've already gone ahead. I have mine. I actually like this one, so I'm actually going to add this to my account. This one's pretty. I don't have this one with the little sparkles behind it. So anyway, so download that. I already uploaded my Tumbler mockup, and I've already uploaded my graphic from Creative Fabrica that I showed you already. So the first things first, let's drag over our Tumbler mockup. I like to drag it over until it fits the entire screen. You could just click on it and then grab the corners and fit to size. It's completely up to you. Once you start getting used to doing this without any hiccups, it's actually pretty easy to just drag it over, let it fit to the size of the square. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to come over and you're going to grab your graphic that you want to add to your tumblers, drag it over. Here it says position, the top here, you want to hit that, and then you want to hit to the back. So here you can see the tumbler is now on the, the graphic is on the tumbler. You just want to be careful you don't pull it too far over, because if you have the white line there showing it, it won't look, right. It'll look weird. So you can just fiddle with it a little bit, get it kind of where you want it. And then that's it. You have your mock-up for your 20-ounce skinny tumbler. What I like to do now is I like to copy this page, so I have a duplicate page. Why do I do this? Well, I want to make sure no one can steal this image. So what I do is I add a heading. So I'm going to add some text here, and I just like to put it on an angle. Whoops. And then you can put the name of your shop, whatever you want to do. I'm just going to put download. You can, put copyright. You know what I mean? You can put whatever, you want on here. Copy. Right. I don't know why it's doing 1999. Oop, there we go. Then you want to take this, not the whole thing. You want to get the text, and I'm going to position this here. Whoa. And I'm going to now turn down the transparency, just because I don't want the words to actually cover up the graphic, but you'll see what I mean in a moment. When you click on this, what you want to do now is Control C, Control V, so you make a copy of it. And I do that a few times. And then you want to position these over your graphic. This just ensures that people can't come screenshot, what you've paid for with your subscriptions and your print on demand subscriptions, right? Because now, you could have made changes to this. You could have added a name to this. If you want to personalize this to, sell it, differently, or however you want to do it. So you you just want to make sure that you're protecting your rights and then the rights of the actual person that created this. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this. I know this seems like a long extra step, but I feel like there's so many people that, will rip things off from Etsy, etc. that it's, cover your butt, as they say, cover your butt. Let me just do a couple more while I'm doing this. If you guys have any requests for any other videos, let me know. I'm gonna, like I said, make a video on how to create a rotating tumbler so you can put it in your Etsy listing. Etsy loves videos. Okay, so here we go. We have the original and then we have the copyrighted one. So it's a little sloppy, but you get the idea, right? Okay, that looks better. Okay, now you want to go to the top right. We want to download this. I do one page at a time. I'm going to download my first page, make sure it's a PNG, and download. And then I'm going to go back and I'm going to download the second page. Download, 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 download. Then you can take these, head on over to Etsy, upload them to your listing, and you have a pretty mock-up here. Instead of just a photograph, you actually have 3 sides to your tumbler with your copyrighted covered picture. And in the next video I'm actually going to show you how this rotates. All right, hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys later.